In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text font size in Wix. This is a simple but important skill that helps your website look clean, professional, and easy to read. Whether you're adjusting a heading, a paragraph, or a button label, the process is basically the same, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, make sure you're logged into your Wix account and you've opened the site you want to edit in the Wix editor. Once the editor is open, navigate to the page and the exact section where your text is located. It might be a title at the top of the page, a paragraph in the middle, or some text in your footer. Now to start editing the text, move your mouse over the text element you want to change. You have two ways to begin. The easiest is to simply double-click directly on the text. When you do that, the text will become active and you'll see a text editing toolbar appear, usually above or near the text box. If double-clicking doesn't feel comfortable, there's another option. Click on the text once to select it. You'll see a small menu or button that says something like Edit Text. Click that, and the same text editing panel will open up, allowing you to make changes. Once the text is in editing mode, look for the font size control in the toolbar. In Wix, this often appears as a number followed by px, or as a slider that you can drag left and right. To adjust the size, click and hold the slider, then drag it to the right to increase the font size or to the left to make it smaller. As you move the slider, you'll see your text change in real time on the page, so you can stop when it looks just right. Take a moment to preview how the new size feels within the overall design. Make sure your headings stand out, your body text is readable, and nothing looks cramped or oversized. If needed, fine-tune by slightly nudging the slider until you're happy with the result. When you're finished, click outside the text box to exit editing mode. Finally, remember to save your changes in the Wix editor, and if you're ready for your visitors to see the update, click Publish. That's all you need to do to change text font size in Wix.